You felt it. That moment in a public bathroom stall. Someone walks by, and you make eye contact. Through the gap in the door. It's not a small crack. It's a full, clear line of sight, right at eye level. This isn't Europe. It isn't Asia. It's America. And somehow, every single stall you've ever used has this exact same flaw. Different states, different cities, different decades, same gap. So here's the real question. Who decided this was okay? Because somewhere, someone signed off on this design, and then it got copied into millions of bathrooms for over 70 years. The easy answer is cheap contractors, bad architects. Nobody cared. Makes sense, right? Except, look at bathrooms in other countries. Full floor-to-ceiling doors, zero gaps, real privacy, and a lot of those countries spend less on construction than we do. So it's not poverty, it's something else, a choice, baked into the system itself. Here's the real story. In America, bathroom stalls aren't built on site. Piece by piece, they're mass-produced. Same hardware, same panel sizes, same brackets, sold to builders everywhere. From one national supply chain, building codes only require a minimum size and a minimum gap for airflow and cleaning access. Nobody in the system is required to close the gap, so the cheapest, fastest option became the only option. And once it was written into standard building code, it just stayed there for 70 years. Okay, so it's just cheap and lazy. Case closed, right? Not quite. There's a second reason, and it's one almost nobody talks about. Those gaps aren't just an accident of cheapness. They also let staff see feet, see movement, see if someone inside needs help, if someone collapses, has a medical emergency, or is in danger. That gap can be the difference between getting help in time or not. It's a safety feature nobody asked for, and nobody thanks the building for. There's a third reason. 2. Full, sealed-off stalls invite something buildings really don't want. Graffiti, drug use, people hiding for way too long. A visible gap discourages all of that just by existing. And for cleaning staff, it means they can check if a stall is occupied or filthy without opening every single door. Cheap to build, safer to monitor, easier to clean. 3 problems solved by one gap. Here's the part that'll actually make you mad. Americans have complained about this for decades, so why hasn't it changed? Because it's not really a design flaw anymore. It's baked into the code. Ripping out every commercial stall system in the country and replacing it with full walls would cost billions, and the people who'd have to pay for it aren't the people stuck feeling exposed in there. Building owners don't experience the problem. The public does. Yes, it's not even hard. Full height, floor-to-ceiling stalls already exist. You've probably seen them in newer airports, high-end offices, fancy restaurants. The technology was never the problem. The real question was always who pays and who suffers. And until that changes, you already know what to expect next time you walk into a public bathroom in America. If you want to see more of these hidden systems, watch this video next.